Hey guys, it's Kara, and today we're going to talk about why printing is so important to me. So, I've had hard drives fail, I've had computers fail, I've had phones disappear, and so backing up is really important to me, but what's even more important is printing. So whether you have USBs, downloads, CDs, those are all great and fine, but what is more important is what you do with these things. So when you come into my studio, I am super happy when you buy digital images, but you will always hear me say, okay, great, this is wonderful. I'm so happy you bought your digital images, but what are we going to do with them now? So I am a huge proponent of doing something with them. Printing prints, printing canvases, printing albums. So why am I so big and a big proponent of the printed medium? It's because when you go into homes and you see their beautiful family on the wall, and you ask the kids, what do you think? Why are you happy that your family's on the wall? They just light up. They are so excited to show you around their house, to show you their room with their pictures in it, or show you the living room with their family pictures on it, and they can tell you the whole story about the session and what they did and how much fun they had during the session, or that picture is when mommy was tickling me, or whatever the story may be. And you can see those kids light up and they just have stories to tell and they're so happy about it. Kids that see themselves in their homes up on the walls, it's just something magical happens. So I'm a very big proponent of kids seeing themselves with their parents every day, walking by those happy moments. So big proponent, do something with those images. Even if it's a Shutterfly canvas or a Walgreens print, do something with them. Kids shouldn't live on Facebook or live in a drawer on a CD. They need to be up on those walls so they can see those happy moments every day. That's why I am really passionate about the printed memory. We just printed a bunch of, I finally got my son's newborn album done. He's 11, so I can finally check that off the list. But if you have any questions about why I think the printed medium is important, or why I think you should, let me know, and I will be happy to just tell you all the reasons why. And I'm sure you're a photographer, or any photographer will be happy to say the same. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.